Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto brightness on this OPPO. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for auto brightness icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is green. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same one. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well and tap on display and brightness. Then click on this switcher next to auto brightness feature to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!